Hey guys, this is still here. In today's video I will be showing you about a few terminal commands which pretty much revolve around the appearance of your dock and your stacks. So I'll just jump straight into it. Alright, the first thing that we want to do is open terminal. The easiest way to do that is go up to the search bar up here and just type in terminal until it appears and enter, and then that will automatically open. Right. The first thing that I'm going to show you is how to get your dock to look like, where are we, go to dock, and look like that down the bottom, where it's normally just like that. So pretty much just a 2D dock. So for that we go back up to terminal and we type in defaults, right com.apple.dock, then we space no glass, then space boolean, then in capitals, you must have the capitals, yes, then we press enter, then we just type in kilodock. And as you can see, that just turns the dock into the 2D one, just like on the side. It doesn't look all that fancy, but if you prefer it like that, go for it. But just to change that, we just type in defaults, right com.apple.dock, no glass, boolean. Then we just type in no in capitals again to get rid of it, and we kill a dock again. Right, and that just changes it back to normal. That's just that's just the first thing that I wanted to show you. Alright, the next thing that we can do is to make the hidden items in the dock show as being transparent. So to do that, we open terminal again. I'm just going to change this in. This time we type in defaults, right com.apple.dock. You'd have the dock with a capital D for it to work. Then we go space show hidden. Then we go BOOL. Then in capitals we type yes. Then we go kill all dock once again. Right, and just say if I open up, we'll just say this. Then if I go to hide, it's just going to show up as transparent, which is good for some people. People like me who hide applications, hide documents and whatnot, and just forget about them. Then like when you're about to shut your computer down, they pop up. So this is pretty good. So to turn it off, we do the exact same step. So we type in defaults, right com.apple.dock with a capital D, then go show hidden, then go bool, BOOL, then no this time to cancel it. Then we kill dock once more, and that just changes it back to normal, even though that is still hidden. So like I said, it's good for people who forget about their applications when they've hidden them. So yeah, that's the second thing that I'm going to show you. Terminal command that I want to show you is one that I really like. It's just how to get separators in between your applications and your dock. As you can see, I've got a fair few right there. So yeah, once again, we open up terminal, and they also make your dock a lot neater, as you can tell. To do this, the command is a bit harder, but it's not that hard. So we just type in defaults, right com.apple.dock, persistent, what is it, apps, Ray add, then we do that, space, tile, type, do, space, tile, space, then we do that, then once again we kill all doc. Ah, shit. Once again, you can see that that adds a space between the terminal dock, the terminal icon. With that, we can move it to anywhere we like. So just say if I want to stick it there, we can do that. It's just like a application icon, but it's just blank and does not open anything. So just to get rid of them, you just drag and drop, add your desktop, add your dock, and yeah, like I said, it looks a lot smoother. And if you want to try that out, go for it. Alright, now time for the last thing I want to show you. It revolves around stacks. It just adds a gradient around each image or each icon you pick. So I'll show you how to do that. So we open up terminal again. We type in defaults. Right, com.apple.doc space mouse over highlight, spelled incorrectly, but that's how it's done. Semio stack boolean, yes, and we kill all doc once more. Right, so what that does is now adds a little gradient around the image you pick, so then it's easy to navigate, easy to tell what you are selecting and whatnot. So that's all I have for you. Don't be afraid to leave a comment, or don't be afraid to rate this video to whatever you reckon it's worth. Also, follow me on Twitter at DillVersion1. Right, that's it. See you guys.